IELTS vocabulary, mastering the word center. Today we're focusing on a word that's essential for IELTS success, center. This versatile word can help you describe locations, organizations, and more in your speaking and writing tasks. Word type: center can function as both a noun and a verb. Meaning, as a noun, center refers to the middle point of something or a place where a particular activity happens. As a verb, it means to place something in the middle. Word history: center comes from the Greek word kentron, which meant a sharp point or the center of a circle. Antonyms: some opposites of center include edge, perimeter, and outskirts. Synonyms: words with similar meanings include middle, core, and heart. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use center in context. The shopping center is located in the heart of the city. The government plans to center its efforts on improving education. The art gallery is the cultural center of the community. Common errors in use: be careful with spelling. In British English, it's spelled C-E-N-T-R-E, but in American English, it's E-E-E-E-E. For IELTS, use the British spelling. Remember, center is a valuable word for describing locations and focal points in your IELTS tasks. Practice using it in your speaking and writing to boost your vocabulary score.